Today, you will learn multiple ways about how to restrict editing in Word document so people can read your document but cannot change it. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel.
Open your document in Microsoft Word. Go to the Review tab at the top. Click on Restrict Editing in the Protect section. In older versions, click Protect, then Restrict Editing. A panel will open on the right side. Tick the box Limit Formatting to a selection of styles. Click Settings and choose which formatting styles are allowed. Click OK. This prevents others from changing fonts, sizes, and styles. Now, tick the box Allow only this type of editing in the document. From the drop-down, choose No Changes, Read Only. This makes the document non-editable. To allow certain parts to be edited, which is optional, select the part of the document you want someone to edit. Under Exceptions, click More Users. Add the usernames and click OK. Kick the username in the list. Only those users can edit that selected part. To start protection with password, click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Enter a password and click OK. Now your document is protected. No one can edit it without the password. To find editable parts in a protected document, in the Restrict Editing panel, you can use Find Next Region I Can Edit, Show All Regions I Can Edit, Highlight Regions I Can Edit. This helps users know where they are allowed to type. To remove restrictions later, go back to Review, then Restrict Editing. Click Stop Protection at the bottom. Enter the password and editing will be enabled again. Another option is Password Protect and open as read-only. Go to File, then Info, then Protect Document, then choose Always Open Read-Only. Then choose Encrypt with Password to add extra security. Now the file asks for a password and opens in read-only mode. Another option is Mark Document as Final. Go to File, then Info, then Protect Document, then Mark as Final. This shows a warning that the document should not be edited. It discourages editing but does not fully lock the file. To make file read-only from File Explorer, close Word, right-click the file, then Properties, tick Read Only, then Apply, then OK. Now the file can be opened but not edited easily. Now you know multiple ways to restrict editing in Word depending on your need, from simple read-only mode to full password protection. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more super simple, high-value Microsoft Word tutorials made especially for beginners.